Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math we're talking about addition. And today we're going to read this fun book called The Party, and then we're going to work on an addition word problem, do an equation, and find the answer. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. This story is called The Party. Knock knock. It's me, Chick. I know it's you, Chick. I can see you. What are you doing? I am reading this book. How can you be reading that book if you are talking to me? You're right, Chick. I was reading this book, and I will go back to reading right now. Slam! Knock, knock. It's still me, Chick. May I use your bathroom? Of course you may. Thank you, Fox. Very kind of you. Chick, are you okay? Crash, thud, splash! Chick, I am coming in. Chick! What is going on in here? Can't you tell? I am having a party with my friends. In my bathroom? Oh, I see. Let's go, guys. I guess he didn't mean it when he said I could use his bathroom. That's a good story, isn't it, boys and girls? He used his bathroom. He just didn't tell him how he was going to use his bathroom. And parties are fun, aren't they? You like to go to parties? Yeah, I sure do too. Well, now we're going to do a word problem, an addition word problem, and we're going to talk about a party. Now, imagine that you go to a party, okay? And right now parties may look a little bit different during this time. Sometimes there's drive-by parties, but let's imagine that you go to a party and there's a bunch of snacks there, okay? There's cupcakes and donuts. Do you like cupcakes and donuts? I bet you do. I sure do too. So somebody at the party, your friend, gives you some cupcakes and donuts. Now, you don't want to eat too many of them, but let's say for this example, you do eat a little bit too much. Makes you really hyper. You have a lot of fun. Okay? So let's go ahead and talk about how many you're going to have. Okay? So they give you 2 cupcakes. So right now, boys and girls, you can pause the video if you'd like. Get a piece of paper and a pencil, crayon, or marker, and go ahead and come back, and we're going to draw some cupcakes and donuts. Okay? So go ahead and pause the video. All right. Hopefully now you have your piece of paper. Now, when we draw on our paper today, we're going to use just part of it for each thing that we do. So what I mean is, I'm going to go ahead and draw just kind of a example piece of paper. So for the first part, when we draw the cupcakes and donuts, I want you to just use the top part of the paper, okay? So what I mean by that is, just go ahead and use this part up here, okay? And leave this part over here for the other things that we're going to do, okay? All right, now you can have more than one color, you can use just one color, whatever you'd like to do. But for this top part, we're going to draw the cupcakes and donuts. Now, let's say that your friend at this party that you're at gives you 2 cupcakes. Now, I'm going to use blue. You can use whatever color you want. But can you go ahead, on your paper, draw 2 cupcakes? Doesn't have to look like mine. You probably can draw a better one than I can. But I'm going to draw 1 cupcake. And I'm going to draw, after the 1, I'm going to draw a second cupcake. Now, I don't know what you like on your cupcakes. I think sprinkles are pretty good. I don't know what you think. But I'm going to put some sprinkles on my cupcake. Okay? I've got 2 cupcakes. What kind of cupcakes do you like? Do you like chocolate or vanilla? Maybe strawberry? Maybe, what else? Other flavors. Marble, which is chocolate and vanilla, is pretty good. Some people like carrot cake cupcakes. Some people don't. But there's my 2 cupcakes, okay? And then I have my sprinkles on top. Now, let's say you have your cupcakes. They're really tasty, but you're in the mood for another snack, okay? Well, your friend says, okay, I'll give you another snack. And instead of just another, they give you several. I'm going to change my color to red. They give you some donuts. You like donuts? Of course. Everybody likes donuts. They give you not one donut, not two donuts, not three donuts, but they give you 4 donuts. Boys and girls, can you draw 4 donuts? Again, you could probably do it better than I can here online, but there's my 4 donuts. All right. Very good. Now, we have 2 cupcakes and 4 donuts. Now, we're going to write our equation, okay? We're going to write our equation. And by that I mean, we're going to put, I'd like you to get a color, doesn't matter what color it is, and you're going to write or draw 3 lines, okay? You can do this in this part of the paper, right in the middle, okay? So you did your cupcakes and donuts up here, and now in this area, go ahead and do this part, okay? So draw 1 line, and then another line, and then 1 more line. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we're going to see the 2 different parts, and then what the total is, or what the whole of it is. So we're doing part, whole, and so we're going to do one part of it, the other part of it, of the snacks, and then what the total is, or what the whole is. So how many cupcakes did we have? 2, right? Now, boys and girls, before I was about to put 2 right here. What was the rule that I've been talking about this week? The helpful rule is to write the greater number or the bigger number first. So let's do that. So what is greater? Cupcakes? Is there more cupcakes or more donuts? Donuts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put 4 first. So put 4 on that first line, okay? And then, so we have 4 donuts, and then also our 2 cupcakes, okay? All right. So what we're doing is we're going to add 4 and 2 together. So let's go ahead and put our symbol. And remember, we're putting our plus sign right in between the 4 and the 2. And then let's put our equal sign, okay? As we write this equation, we're going to find out 4 and 2 together is the same as what? So we're going to add these up together and find our total, okay? So let's go ahead and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 snacks in total. So I'm going to put that right over here. 6 on that third line. So 4 and 2 is the same as 6. Or 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 total. All right. So now, boys and girls, you have finished your equation. It should be in this middle part of the paper. And then down here at the bottom, we're going to go ahead and just write the total, okay? And that is 6. So I'm just going to write that again here. But go ahead and write that kind of big at the bottom of your paper. I can even do it here to kind of show what that's going to look like. All right. So we did our cupcakes and donuts, or snack drawing. We did our equation here in the middle. And at the bottom, we did the total of all of our snacks. Well, how would you feel if you had that many snacks? Probably sick to your stomach. Don't have that many snacks, boys and girls. It's going to make you feel too queasy. So maybe have 1 and 1. How's that? All right, boys and girls. Thank you for reading with me today and working hard in math. And we'll see you soon.